Sofia Antipolis, the French Riviera's technological pole, a few kilometers from Nice and Cannes. A growing number of high-tech companies are setting up their premises here each year, taking advantage of the quality of life between the sun and the sea, and far from the stress of the big cities. It was enough for this man to base his company here. Séverin Kézé, CEO of the SK Group, is from Cameroon. This engineer and holder of a doctorate in industrial computer science is also the inventor of a revolutionary anti-collision system known as Navigator.
My system is unique because it is the first universal system. It can automatically be adapted and be parameterized on any mobile machine. The same system can be used on a train, a plane, a car, a building site crane, a gate, a traveling crane, in anything that moves.
And there is a lot at stake. Every year on the roads, on the sea, or in the air, several 100,000 people die in accidents. The specialty of Navigator, the major difference with competing electromagnetic anti-collision systems on the market, is that this system is entirely computerized. At any moment, from the comfort of his office, Séverin Kézé can control the Navigator-installed machinery by internet, carrying out repairs or reconfiguring. All it needed was for someone to come up with the idea. Another revolutionary aspect is the basic concept of a system that actually makes the machine in question intelligent. The vehicle has to apprehend its environment and evaluate the risk of a collision. Navigator is a complete system. An onboard computer, a program, a radar, and sensors. The position of the vehicle, its speed, load weight, braking capacity, or lack of, the wind speed and direction, all of these parameters are recorded and sent to the onboard computer.
Using these parameters, the computer will estimate or calculate the risk of a collision. If the risk is high, the driver or pilot receives a warning. If the risk is very serious, the computer, the Navigator system, takes over and automatically avoids the collision.
A system that Mr. Kézé wasted no time patenting. The Ministry of Industry classed his invention Key French Technology, a label only given to the most strategic innovations. It all began in 1990. Séverin Kézé was studying to be an engineer, and his doctoral thesis concerned the problem of collisions. He pursued his studies further and developed the Navigator system. In 1991, ANVAR, the French innovation agency, awarded him first prize for innovation, ahead of Matra and Air France. France's leading manufacturer of cranes showed an interest for Séverin Kézé's invention and put up funding to finance production. He set up his own company and was able to demonstrate just how advanced his technology was. 15 years on, and the system has considerably evolved, integrating all the functions that are essential to ensure the safety and security of cranes used on building sites. Crane operators, such as Potin and Libher, used the system, as did Bouygues, the public works giant. But Séverin Kézé now wants to reach out to other sectors, such as handling and packing, by equipping traveling cranes, gates, and forklift trucks. He has just signed a contract with Alstom. The SK Group now has plans to move into road and rail transport, as well as aeronautics, a field that up until now had been the exclusive domain of the electronic giants, and one that now shows signs of opening up.
It is true that it is still a little confidential, but we have of course been shortlisted to equip the Airbus A380 with our technology.
Little by little, the engineer and company leader has built himself a reputation among the multinationals. Today, the giant killer in Sofia Antipolis employs 20 people, mainly technicians working on the field, as well as a team of R&D engineers. Last year's turnover was 1.8 million. His objective is 2.4 million for 2006. And that means attracting new clients. 2006 will be a year of communication and marketing for the company. The product has a reputation. All it needs to do now is sell it. And that's not easy when you're a black CEO in a high-tech sector.
People often say, the big black guy's been here. From a marketing point of view, it is an advantage because I don't have to make much effort to be known. The downside, and I have to be frank, is that we are in a society where the collective subconscious is clouded with preconceived ideas. No black guy is going to tell us about technology, to teach us and to explain how we should do our work, our profession. So from time to time, I have to deal with that type of prejudice.